Jetpac Global Review, Usage Experience. In this video, I'll be reviewing Jetpac Global, an innovative eSIM solution for travelers seeking seamless mobile connectivity around the world. Links to the product are provided in the description below. Jetpac Global is designed for frequent travelers, digital nomads, and anyone who needs reliable and affordable mobile data without the burden of traditional SIM cards or excessive roaming fees. With Jetpac, you gain access to a variety of global and regional data plans, offering flexibility whether you're traveling across multiple countries or staying in one location for an extended period. Activating your eSIM is as simple as scanning a QR code sent to your email, with no physical SIM card required. One of Jetpac Global's key strengths is its extensive coverage, offering service in over 100 countries with consistent 4G and 5G data speeds. This makes it an excellent choice for travelers exploring diverse destinations, as you can switch between countries without losing connectivity. The data plans are straightforward and tailored to suit different needs, from light data usage to heavy internet activity like streaming or video calls. Additionally, Jetpac Global eliminates the need for swapping out SIM cards, saving both time and effort. The user experience is enhanced by Jetpac's intuitive mobile app, which allows you to monitor data usage, purchase additional plans, and manage your eSIM settings with ease. The app also includes helpful features like real-time data tracking and notifications when you're nearing your usage limits, ensuring you stay in control of your expenses. Jetpac's pricing is competitive, offering a range of options to fit various budgets, and there are no hidden fees to worry about. Overall, Jetpac Global is a practical and efficient solution for anyone in need of reliable mobile data while traveling internationally. With excellent coverage, easy setup, and flexible plans, it's a service that caters to both casual and frequent travelers. If you're planning a trip and want a hassle-free mobile data experience, Jetpac Global is worth considering. Be sure to check out the link in the description for more details.